Namaskar, I'm Captain Prakash Jog and welcome to Career Guidance in Merchant Navy series of lectures. And after seeing which course to select, how much important it is, and which maritime training institute to select, how to select it, how to obtain information, we are going to see today what is the eligibility criteria for Diploma in Nautical Science leading to BSc Nautical Science and BSc Nautical Science and career path. So let us start with what are the eligibility criteria to take the course of DNS or BSc Nautical Science. One is medical fitness. You should be fit medically, physically, psychologically, mentally. Your eyesight should be 6 by 6 without wearing specs or contact lenses. You should have no color blindness. Your age should be between 17.5 years and less than 25 years. You should have passed 10 plus 2 with subjects physics, chemistry, mathematics, and you must get more than 60% marks in aggregate PCM. And English, you should have got more than 50% marks either in 10th or 12th. You also should be fluent in English and passport is must. So when you are taking admission, you must have passport. So these are the basic requirements for joining anybody DNS course or BSc Nautical Science course. For DNS course, NIOS is okay. That is NIOS is National Institute of Open Schooling. So if you have done your 10 plus 2 from NIOS, it is okay for DNS course, but it is not okay for BSc Nautical Science. Let us see further. Each boy who is aspiring to be taking up DNS or BSc, they must pass IMUCET, Common Entrance Test, which is held all India level. And this test, IMU test, is conducted every year towards May end and December. So twice it is conducted. The forms are out about 2 months before that, and you must fill online form and you must go to centers where this exam is conducted and physically give this exam. Then you must have for DNS course, you must have compulsory placement for private MTIs. So if you are taking admissions in IMU campuses, no placement is compulsory. But then getting placement later on also is difficult. So private MTIs, you must have compulsory placement prior admission, else you cannot take admission in any of the private colleges. Fees for DNS are ranging from nearly 3.9 to 4 lakhs to 8 lakh rupees. So some colleges lowest fees are charged by trainingship Rahman, and those are about 3.9 lakhs, and they are going up to 8 lakhs. And for these fees, bank loans are available as education loan. So this course is eligible to get education loan from any nationalized banks. Then once you take admission, The course starts somewhere in July and other course starts in February. So there are two batches, and this is 12 months residential course in campus, and 12 months means it is semester 1 and semester 2. How the career progresses after this? After 12 months course, each semester you will have exam which is conducted by IMU, that is Indian Maritime University, and you must pass each exam. Then after SEM 1, SEM 2, the company which you have selected here, they will be placing you on board for on-board training 6 months plus 6 months plus 6 months, that is semester 3, 4 and 5, and this will be a practical and a theoretical training, and on board ship they will be paying you stipend of about 20,000 rupees per month. After completion of semester 5, you will have to do semester 6, that is second mate function course, which is of 4 months duration in any of the maritime training institutes approved by DG Shipping, and then prepare for the exam and appear for second mate's foreign going exam as well as IMU BSc exam, and clear this both exams and obtain second mate's foreign going certificate, which will give you a job, which is qualifying you for a job as third officer or second officer. And also you will get here BSc, which is from IMU, BSc Nautical Science from Indian Maritime University. Thereafter you join as third officer on ship. The same company will put you on ship, and there will be salary more than 1 lakh rupees. So you start earning after passing second officer's exam. Thereafter, another within 5 years, you will give chief officer's exam and captain's exam while working on board and earning your salary. And after 5 years or so, your salary will be in the range of 8 to 10 lakh rupees per month. So this is how the career graph goes for a DNS cadet. Now BSc, the IMU CET is compulsory now. Earlier there was no IMU CET for BSc. BSc is approved, this course may be approved by any other universities other than IMU, and whichever that college is affiliated, like Training Ship Rahman, BP Marine, they are conducting BSc Nautical Science course, and this course is approved by Mumbai University. So you get, at the end of 3 years, you get BSc degree from Mumbai University. The fees are about 7.15 to 12 lakhs for 3 years. That is all 6 semesters. Loans are also available here, and here you do not require to have any placement. If you have placement, very good, but if you don't have placement, still you can take admission if the college gives you that admission. Then 3 years residential course, and during your course the colleges will be giving you placement whichever are having good reputation, and then you will be posted on ship if you are placed somewhere for 1 year, where you will get stipend of about 25 to 30,000, and after 1 year again you will have to appear for second mate foreign going certificate. You already have degree, BSc degree. Second mate foreign going, you appear for the exam, clear the exam, and then you are joining as third officer. So here again the career is joining, and you are merging with DNS and BSc, both are merging here. Okay, only 4 months this function course is not here mandatory, and that is having exemption because you are already having BSc degree. So this is how it looks, the eligibility criteria, and the career path for DNS and BSc. Let us see difference between DNS and BSc Nautical Science. DNS is Diploma leading to BSc Nautical Science, a sandwich course. Actually, per se, this is not diploma, but many of the parents, they are little reluctant to put their um, child into diploma, thinking that why not do degree when degree is available, and why to go for diploma. But this diploma is a sandwich course of BSc, which is having theory, practical, theory, exam, and other course is totally academics. That is BSc Nautical Science is straight 3 years degree course. DNS is IMU approved and affiliated, but BSc can be of any other university. So DNS, do not be confused that DNS is a diploma course and you are not going to get degree. So finally, you both are going to get degree after 3 years. Finally, both boys will get degree and both will be able to become captain in more or less same number of years. So there is not much difference. Only difference here is DNS boys will be better in practical knowledge than BSc boys. So DNS, as they are taking semester 3, 4, 5 on ship with practical training, they will be much better in practical knowledge, and that is what is required on ship. Majority of the companies, that is shipping companies, prefer to take DNS boys, and some very small percentage of companies like to take BSc Nautical Science as cadets for training on board their ships. Okay, so preference in industry is for DNS. So DNS is much in demand. After understanding the eligibility criteria for both the courses DNS and BSc, and also knowing difference between DNS and BSc, next lecture we are going to see how to prepare for DNS placement and admission. So how boys or girls will prepare for this, when preparation will start, that we are going to see in our lecture number 6B. So thank you for your time and watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.